Yo, good morning, everyone. What's up? What's up? You guys are doing good. Hold on, let me do this. Alright, hope you guys are having a good morning. Let me screen share on Discord. What's up, Twinkie? See, the market is pumping up a bit here. Coming into open. We just gotta wait and see what our reaction is gonna be here. We're just gonna continue to pump, or if we're gonna dump. I don't know. We gotta wait. And we still got 5 minutes until market opens, so just gotta wait and see. And guys, remember, what's it called? Last night, the market switched contracts from MNQH or NQH to MNQM. So make sure you guys change your contracts. And on TradingView, make sure to turn on this setting here at the bottom, because if you don't have this setting on, it will not show the correct price. So remember, change your contracts to MNQM, and then make sure you have this setting enabled in the bottom, because all the levels are different now, because we have a new contract, or NQ went to a new contract. So if you guys try trading an MQH or NQH, it will reject your order. So make sure you are on MNQM or NQM if you guys are doing minis or micros. Alright. We are super close to taking out this high. I completely forgot to mark out some levels on ES. Oh, hold on. Oh, fuck. I marked out all my levels. I just forgot to mark out freaking fair value gaps to the upside. Okay. Okay, I think that's it, really. Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, hopefully today's a pretty quick day. I mean, we have a really nice setup we could work with. Just gotta see how the market is moving. So we do have a setup for longs and shorts. We're close to some internals being taken out, yeah. Yeah, we have a setup for longs and shorts. Shorts is definitely, just the A++ setup we have here. So shorts would be really, really nice to catch. Not gonna lie to you guys. to have market opening in 2 minutes, and I believe we have an orange folder today at 10 a.m. Let me see. Yeah, we have new home sales, or pending home sales at 10 a.m. which is an orange folder, so it won't impact the market like crazy, but it will definitely, have some impact. Where that gap is, it's right here. Alright, market open. Let's see what we do. Yes, I wouldn't take shorts off this fair value gap, because I definitely do want to see us take out our liquidity first before we reverse. So hopefully we're able to flip this candle from red to green, and we're able to take out these highs. On ES we did take out the highs though, but we just need NQ to take it out too. Alright, beautiful red to green flip. Let's take out these highs here. I want to see us take out 033. Even though we have the London high right here, 033 is a really good high to take out. Yeah, ES is also bumping up a little more here too. So looks like ES wants to go up also. Just take out this London high. I want us to take out this level at 033. Be a really nice level to take out. Alright, we just took it out, so let's see how we react off this level. Unless we want to go for 070 also. Or we could also just freaking pump like crazy as well. GS did just inverse this gap. Let's see. Thing is, if we do take longs off this gap here, we do have we just have this liquidity, so we'd have to wait and see if like we're gonna get a sweep, or if we actually just like impulse inverse, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna have this marked out, guys. This is not like, I'm not in the trade obviously yet, but just have it marked out just in case if we do just have impulsive buying. But I want to see how we react off this level if we do take this out. And then see if we reject or if we just keep bumping up. Which inverse is at 94.75. We just took out this level now, so. Let's see. So we're having a little pullback off this level, so let's see if we continue to pump up or if we start having a reversal here. Let me look at ES. Yeah, ES is doing good. I do have 20 seconds left in this candle, so let's see. See if we continue to pump up here, or if we start reversing. This is going to be an indicator if we are going to continue higher, if we're just going to get a reversal here. So yeah, we just have to wait and see how price is moving. If we do catch longs, we did get this fair value gap projection holding above the liquidity, but I would really like to see shorts. But I'm not against either. Catch longs or shorts. I just want it to be good direction and be good volume, so that's all that really matters. I really hope this candle is able to do something soon. Give us some movement. Or that gap is invisible. Oh no, you don't see it. It's right here. It's this big 56-point gap. you don't have that. That's weird. Make sure you have this thing on and that you're charting on NQ. This setting down here, the BADJ. Okay, this candle was a bit interesting. Hopefully, maybe price wants to go into this fair value gap, bounce off of it. I don't really want to take shorts off this gap, to be honest. If we do start dumping, I'd rather wait for this gap. I don't know. I just feel. I mean, it would be a pretty valid setup too if we do take shorts off this. Just gotta wait and see. Looks like we might. I don't have both marked out. I have so much room to the downside. It's like overnight we've been pumping up, so I do prefer shorts. Like I just feel like shorts is the way better option here also. 25, 75, stop loss. See if we can catch some shorts. Get a little reversal. This liquidity. Let me look at ES actually. ES is still kind of. ES is a little bit ahead. Like ES is like up here right now. Wait, if we got a red to green flip. $6K. I'm just delete everything, guys, and just wait. What was the other thing on the top left? You said to turn on. I didn't say to turn on anything on top left. I said make sure you're charting on NQ. That was on the top left. Bottom right is the setting I said to turn on. This little thing down here. 1 minute isn't looking the best, guys. So hopefully soon price is able to move out of this range and go somewhere. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to have both marked. I feel it's gonna look weird. Looks like we might be pumping up a little bit here, so I'm gonna mark this out really quick. Put my stop loss here. Let's just see if we're actually able to get here. I mean, we could also bounce off the gap, but let's see. We are getting a little bit of buying here. Oh, we just inverse, guys. I'm not in yet. Wait for a hold above. Hi guys, I'm in longs. 49.75. I'm for my stop loss. PT's at 145. I gotta do alert. Entry at 25, 101, 25. Stop loss is at 25.049.75. Yeah. 75. All right. Let me look at ES. I gotta look at ES, guys, because ES is a bit ahead. So I will be trimming when we hit the high on ES. I'll let you guys know when we do hit it. When I trim. So yeah, guys, I will be looking at ES for our price target because ES is a bit ahead, and I don't want us to reverse because of ES. I'm super locked in on yes right now, guys. Red to green. Yeah, if we get a red to green flip, this would be super nice. That's what we need right now. Okay, my YouTube is doing good. Alright. See if we can get a red to green flip here. This would be super nice. Just need buyers to step in so we can flip this from red to green. I mean, we had some really good buying pressure, so we should be able to honestly flip this. that buying pressure to step in. So we can flip this from red to green. Let me check ES. Yeah, ES and NQ are relatively doing the same thing. NQ is just a little behind in terms of like the PT, so I'm going to be looking at ES for the PT here. And we almost got a red to green flip. Let's see if buyers are able to step in here. We also do have this fair value gap here, so maybe the price wants to bounce into it if we do start selling off a little bit. But hopefully, you know, we're just able to go completely green here. Let's get a red to green flip and just buy up. And we do have an orange folder in 3 minutes, which isn't gonna, you know, I don't think it's gonna be that crazy. It's just an orange folder, but it will definitely push us a little bit in a direction. So let me see. Let me pull it up. Comes on 2 minutes. Hopefully price is able to just reject off this fair value gap. If we are just gonna go down a little bit here. Hopefully we bounce off the midpoint of this fair value gap and we're able to just go higher here. Next candle opens in, well, news comes out also in 50 seconds, but next candle, which is 10 a.m. candle, also opens in 45 seconds. So let's see what we do here. We do need this candle to buy up a little bit though. Which hopefully it does. I have the news open, so let's see. Alright, this is about to come out and 10 a.m. candle, so be ready, guys. Let's see what we do. Still pending. Guys, even if the news comes out bullish or bearish, the market might not go that direction. And it came out pretty bullish, actually. So, let's see if it'll actually be able to push us up here. Hopefully all this anticipation was just for the news and we're able to pump up now. So we'll see. Yeah, it did come out bullish. Okay, whatever, it's a green flip. Just gotta continue the buying though. Oops. Let me check out one ES here. I mean, ES is relatively doing the same thing, but it's in a gap right now. So, just gotta hope we bounce off this gap that we are. We're in ES. Yeah, no. Hopefully we're able to reject here and go up. Let's see. Set it for longs looks so good though. I don't understand. I'm really hoping we reject here. We need a really big buying candle here. Oh man. This would be a miracle if we low-key like bounce off this fair value gap here. I mean, we're also bouncing off a fair value gap on ES. So hopefully we're able to continue this for higher. Just need buyers to step in here. No way we got a green to red, bro. Damn. I don't understand why buyers are struggling so much. And we had so much buying prior. And all of a sudden, off this big candle, we had freaking downtrend. Like, what? Just need buyers to step in, bro. Alright guys, I just got stopped out. Damn. That took forever too. Damn. Pretty good setup just to get completely disrespected like that. But yeah, I mean, we do have this 5 minute for value gap here we could work with. You know, like that we said we were going to look at either longs or shorts. So, I mean, if we continue a strong selling, we can honestly just enter shorts. Literally the same shit as yesterday, bro. Stopped out on longs, fucking shorts right after. Bro. Yeah, sucks. We waited all that time. That was honestly like a pretty good setup with a bullish bias, so I'm just gonna stop that. 70.75. Entry would be at 2.5. Alright, we're about to inverse right now, guys, so just be ready. Let me look at ES too. I think we're about to, yeah, we already invested on ES for this gap. So let's see. Alright guys, we are about to get the inverse, so be ready. We're gonna take shorts off this. We're getting some selling pressure, guys. Oh, okay, I enter shorts. Might have been, I thought we were gonna fucking drop way faster. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my, yo. Alright, we're getting a lot of selling, guys. I low-key pre-fired that, but 25, 024, 25, stop loss. Alright. Stop loss as 0.70, 75. Alright guys, let's see how this trade plays out. I mean, first PT is going to be at this for value gap here at 967, so 967.00, yeah. 8 points is the trade scene already, 14 points, alright. we had a pretty good impulse for that inverse. So let's see. We're getting a lot of buying or selling, guys. I remember first PT is gonna be at 967. So I'm going to take trims around there. Oh my gosh. Wait, where's my? Oh, there it is. My YouTube. Well, that's a pretty good amount of selling we just got. So hopefully we're able to continue this. I mean, I don't see why we don't. Trader's able to see 30 points. Hopefully this is just a healthy pullback. We're able to flip this from green to red and we can just sell off. Be super nice. Look at ES. Alright, this is showing. Bro, there's just no way, right? Come on, bro. Flip from green to red. Any sellers to step in here. Just drop us off here. Did news come out or something? Like, I don't understand. No, no news. Yeah, we really haven't had anything. No news in the past 40 minutes. So I don't understand. Like, we're not rejecting off anything, so. Hope to God this is just a pullback. 70 points. We just did. Just gotta go low, low. ES is flipped to red, so now we just need NQ to flip to red. Bro, I don't get why NQ is trying to push up here, bro. Guys, it literally just missed my stop loss by like a tick. Oh my gosh. This is so close. Oh, there you go. I got filled. Market, bro. Damn, bro. That was genuinely so annoying. Like, this was literally like the best setup we've had today. Literally played off for 30 points and then we just get a fucking crazy 75 point pullback. And buying hasn't had any fucking interest in the past like 40 minutes. That's actually retarded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 30, 40 minutes, bro. That is what it is. But yeah, guys, I will not be trading tomorrow because we do have FOMC. Yeah, we have FOMC minutes tomorrow, so they're gonna be announcing the Fed cut rates, and the morning is gonna be like super choppy. So no trading for me tomorrow, and yeah, I'll be back on Thursday. I'm just gonna call it quits for the day because obviously the market just isn't validating all these really good setups, and the market just can't decide where it wants to go. So yeah, guys, they just rejected off and nothing. Like we literally rejected off nothing. Yeah, guys, it's alright. I mean, we still have Thursday and Friday. I mean, whenever the Fed cuts get announced, hopefully the market has a little bit more direction, knows where it actually wants to go. So Thursday and Friday should be pretty good. So yep, I'll see you guys on Thursday. You know, enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, I'll see you guys.